Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. In today's episode, we are going to talk about the amazing opportunities that this particular Bitcoin crash has brought onto us. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, we did in fact buy the bottom. And if you guys have been following my YouTube channel, right, obviously you heard me talk about one of the reasons why you should be sort of getting into positioning yourselves as far as this particular move to the downside is concerned. So for the past 2 days, I have obviously talked about these things. I had a stream 2 days ago and I did reassure you that definitely Bitcoin was going to bounce back, and right now it is absolutely bouncing back. But enough of that, let's talk about the coins that I am reaccumulating, because right about now it's all about positioning yourselves for the next bull market, and everything is going to be absolutely ridiculous. So first of all, you guys already know that I really love Zilliqa, and right now it's actually around 10 cents, and it did drop way below 10 cents. It went close to around 9 cents, which is absolutely ridiculous. A lot of you were saying, hey Muna, the price of Zilliqa is not ever going to go back to 10 cents, but here we are. The prices are back in the buying zone, and I'm going to be accumulating these particular cryptocurrencies. So if you guys have been part of my YouTube channel, right, you obviously know the usual suspects and the things that I really like for the most part. So I did sell at the top when Bitcoin was around 58, 52, somewhere there, and around 48,000 US dollars. I did get into USD Tether, and I was also shorting some of the altcoins, but now is the perfect time to start reaccumulating. So I'm just going to run through these altcoins like very quick. So obviously Zilliqa, no need to talk about it. BNB, this is an absolute kill when it comes to the price of BNB. I mean, a few days ago, the price of BNB was around close to $700, was around 600, 500, somewhere there, and right now the price is around 313. Absolute buy, absolute kill, and this is a very good area to get to buy this particular cryptocurrency. There's absolutely no reason to do any technical analysis because everything is self-explanatory. BNB, great ecosystem, is going to blow up. Now Avalanche did drop to around $10, $12, which is absolutely ridiculous, and Avalanche, aka Avax, is going to do absolutely amazing stuff. So I'm definitely going to be reaccumulating Avax. So Solano is also one of those explosive cryptocurrencies, and apparently Solano is actually way much more expensive than Avalanche in terms of the market capitalization, because this one is about 2.3 billion US dollars in comparison to Solano, which is around 8.1 billion US dollars. Jesus Christ, I didn't have any idea that these things are very different in terms of the price. Oh my goodness. So anyhow, looking at Elrond, EGLD, you guys already know that I'm a big fan of EGLD. So this one is also a smart contract platform. There's a whole lot of exciting development happening, and I'm definitely going to be accumulating it. So when it comes to Bakeryswap and all these swaps, pancakeswap, uniswap, 1inch, I'm definitely going to be adding them to my portfolio, but I'm so into Bakeryswap because of the NFT mania and just anything, related to non-fungible tokens, because non-fungible tokens are the theme for this particular cryptocurrency. So this is one of the reasons why Bakeryswap is definitely one of those cryptocurrencies that I am going to be heavily buying and just preparing for the bull market. So these are some of the coins that I'm going to be buying as far as altcoins are concerned. Of course, these are mid cap to high cap type of cryptocurrencies. These are pretty safe investments, and just like I keep on telling people, right, you need to divide your portfolio into different categories. You need to have high caps, you need to have mid caps, you need to have low caps as well. So when it comes to mid to high caps, right, these are the coins that I'm going to be adding to my portfolio, because these particular coins have got their own ecosystem, and they've got heavy utility. They have tons and tons of utility. So anyway, let's get back to BTC, because it doesn't really matter what these altcoins are going to be doing, because if BTC just sneezes, if BTC makes a move, altcoins usually follow and over exaggerate the move. So this is one of the reasons why you guys just have to be very careful, because there's going to be a whole lot of volatility. Because right now the game is all about liquidating both the sellers and the buyers at this particular moment, because it's a liquidation game. Okay, these guys are stop loss hunting, and they are going to be sort of bringing in a lot of volatility. Like for example, yesterday we did end up dropping close to around 31,000 US dollars. Today we are pumping and we are at 38,000 US dollars. So if you are using leverage, right, these particular days have been so hectic for you, and you are probably thinking like, damn, why the hell am I even trading cryptocurrencies, because I always get the moves wrong. But if you are an OG, you've already been through such type of market volatility, and you know when not to trade leverage, and when just to use spot and just avoid all this noise, because this is noise. So guys, just like I told you, right, in order for me to because what I'm doing is 90% of my portfolio, okay, I'm going to be spot trading, just simply buying and holding for the long term. The other 10%, I'm going to be using leverage, because I know leverage trading is absolutely unpredictable. It doesn't really matter whether you are good at technical analysis, because I'm bloody good at technical analysis. Like I'm pretty good. You guys already know my resume. You guys already know my I'm pretty good at technical analysis. But when it comes to leverage, and when you go above a particular threshold, once you start trading leverage above 3x, right, things really get dicey. So this is one of the reasons why I'm only going to be using 10% of my portfolio in order for me to utilize derivatives and leverage trading, because it is a tool. Just like a gun could be used to sort of help you in certain situations, right? Leverage trading is also one of those things that you can really get to utilize in order for you to attain your goals, or rather reach your goals, in order for you to be financially independent. But you have to know how to use it, when to use it, and when it is necessary to sort of avoid or basically get to utilize it, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to be using some leverage trading, and these are the things that I really teach my clients. So if you guys really want to really improve your cryptocurrency portfolio by a whole lot, just send me an email. I do offer private consultation, and I also help people learn all these techniques that I have been able to learn for the past 3 years, because I spent a lot of time, learning what to do, what not to do. So I do offer some private consultations, private group, and all that good stuff. So please email me. So coming back to this particular situation, right? Let me give you another practical example. Let's go back to March 2020, last year. Remember what happened when we had this, excruciating drop right over here? All the people that were trading these particular volatility areas were really, really destroyed, because one time you buy it, it drops, and when you sell, it pumps. So what you need to do is, when we have a drastic price drop, right, you need to wait for the noise to sort of reduce. Wait for the noise. How are you going to be able to wait for the noise to reduce? There's going to be some doji candle on the daily. So you are not interested in such type of body closes. You're not interested in such type of body closes. You need to wait for indecision, or some sort of clear indication that, okay, the bulls are getting in charge. Okay, so that's when you get in. If you go in around this particular area on the 18th of March and just got into your long positions, put in some derivatives, some leverage trading, your stop loss couldn't have been triggered, because from here it was all up and up. So this is one of the reasons why you guys shouldn't even be scared. Okay, the next 3, 4, 5 days are going to be very volatile, but there's going to be one particular sweet spot where you are going to be able to enter and be good for the rest of the journey. And the next coming price actions are going to be very good. Bitcoin is going to go to close to 150,000 US dollars. Everything is going to be pumping. Okay, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notifications, because I got your back just like I had your back here. 2 days ago, I was telling you, look, no need to panic. The larger move in terms of the price dropping has already happened. The worst of the worst has already happened. You just need to keep your composure and buy the dip. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, today we are reaping the benefits of keeping our composure, which is very good. So anyhow, looking at some, news, crypto news, they're just talking about the same stuff. Crypto volatility, altcoins recover. Everything is just like, we don't even need to like read all this crap, because everything that we need to know is sort of imprinted in the charts. Show me the charts and I'll tell you the news. In the next coming 3 to 5 weeks, right, when the prices are going to be recovering, right, everybody's going to be again bullish. You understand? And there's going to be like, oh, some VC company bought $2 billion worth of crypto. This is why it's pumping. But that's all hogwash. You don't really even need to concentrate on the news. I don't even care about the news. I don't even need this crap, because everything that I need is right here in the charts. And this is one of the reasons why you have to email me. All right, so let's set up those private consultations, the leverage, cryptocurrency, portfolio balancing, and all that good stuff. Let's make this money. Let's make this money. So if you've got any other coins that you would love me to like take a look at, please let me know. Oh, by the way, internet computer is absolutely going to be like one of those explosive cryptocurrencies as well. Oh my God, I forgot to talk about Polkadot. Polkadot is also one of the cryptocurrencies that you need to have on your portfolio as well. Even though it is like 20 billion at this particular moment, I think it has got like a whole lot of room to grow. But anyhow, I'm all about utility. I'm all about ecosystems, and this is why my portfolios is absolutely one of the best portfolios out there. So talk to you a little bit later. It's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x. Stay blessed, and yeah, take care.